Hello Eastern Region Hyundai dealers, and welcome to the July 5th edition of the Weekly Update. Sorry to disappoint you, but this is John Hoffman sitting in for Jessica Bond. This week's video includes updates on parts, Short Critic, and some helpful information on managing back orders. On behalf of the Eastern Region, we hope everyone had a safe and happy 4th of July. We finished out the month at 101.77% of general parts objective and 92.37% of accessories objective. Thank you to all for a great month, and we look forward to an even better July. June month-end results are in for Short Critic. District EAB took first place in rating with a 4.79. EAA had the highest recommended rate at 96.4%. EA7 took the crown for highest concern resolution rate at 30.1%, and EA8 and EA6 tied for highest social actions taken at 3.5%. This slide contains the training opportunities for your technicians through early August. The Kona new model classes listed are being held on an individual basis for the top techs in your shop. This slide contains upcoming classes for advisors, parts, and service managers through the end of August. For enrollment assistance, please contact your DPSM and Chris Crothers here at the Region. We realize at times parts availability can be stressful to parts managers, service managers, and technicians, just to name a few. But most important, it is the impact to our customers. This week we will focus on managing back orders and the necessary steps to fulfill responsibilities in customer satisfaction and potentially reduce the back order count. Parts managers can see all parts that the dealership has on back order through the back order inquiry search screen in WebDCS. Parts managers should routinely review this report and take appropriate action. From this screen, you can cancel if needed, upgrade to an E-order, or if the part is on an E-back order and there is no ETA, consider upgrading to an XVOR request. See page 85 of the Hyundai Parts Policy and Procedure Manual for additional information. In addition, parts managers can see the same information using report code RPT 2001 Dealer Backorder Report, generated daily as needed under the Reports tab of WebDCS. Another option to upgrading to an E-order or submitting an XVOR request is to check inventory at local and national dealers using the dealer locator in the information menu under the Parts tab of WebDCS. Although it might be a long shot, this provides a potential solution to what could evolve into a big problem. If a remanufactured ATM or engine is unavailable or on back order, a new unit can be ordered. A parts availability screen print from WebDCS must be attached to the subject repair order to document this condition. See Section 5 of the Hyundai Warranty Policies and Procedures Manual for full details. XVOR status is updated weekly and posted to www.hyundaidealer.com under the Parts tab in the Documents library. Once you have exhausted all of the resources available to you, notify your DPSM by way of email utilizing the format introduced in the weekly update from June 22nd. Always include your dealer code in the subject line along with the word back order. The body of the email should include the full VIN, part number, and order number, along with a summary of the circumstances. Thanks again to everyone for tuning in. As always, feedback and suggestions are encouraged.